this video, I'm going to show you how to run ads on Snapchat and how to create your Snapchat ads account. Now, listen to me very carefully. My name is Ayo. If you're new to this channel, hit the like button, drop a comment, say, "Let's go, Mr. Ayo," with that fire emoji. I'm going to open my Snapchat. Open the Snapchat account, and this is one of my clients' Snapchat account, and I'm going to blow out the page information and some other sensitive thing. You understand? So, and as you can see in this Snapchat ads account balance, we have over $15.90, and we've been able to create some lot of promotions, as you can see. So this is the recent promotion. You're going to see something like past promotions, May 26, May 27. You're going to see we spent over $19, right? And we had over 23,000 views, 730 interactions, and 440 new followers. Can you imagine? So on this, we spent over $20. We had over 412, followers, and 26,995 views, 741 interactions. So as you can see, we have many ads like that. So this shows a proof that Snapchat ads work, but you just need a person that knows his way around this. Before we get into the video, should in case you have problem with Snapchat ads, or you're having problem to pay for your Snapchat ads account, opening your ads account, you can chat this number you see on the screen, and we're going to help you. Emoji. So now listen to me very carefully. There are two methods in which you can use or in which you can follow to create your Snapchat ads account, to create your Snapchat ads. If you've not created any Snapchat ads before, or you've not run any promotion on Snapchat, you can use the method one, which is creating your Snapchat ads account using your mobile phone, or creating your Snapchat ads account using your computer. Now, I'm going to be showing you the method on how to create your Snapchat ads account using your mobile phone. But here comes the good part. If you create your Snapchat ads account using your mobile phone, you would be able to access that same Snapchat ads account using your computer, right? So I'm going to show you how to open the Snapchat ads account using your phone and how to access it on your computer. Now, when I show you how to open the Snapchat ads account on your mobile phone, if you want to later on create your ads using the desktop view or using the desktop site, using your computer, you could just go to business.snapchat.com or just go to Google, search Snapchat Ads Manager, log in, click on it, and you'll be able to use your same Snapchat login details, Snapchat account login details to log into the Ads Manager. We're going to open our Snapchat. Click on this, your profile icon, right? And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go down, right? You're going to click on public figure. Now, I'm going to show you a very big secret in this video. And the secret is, if you're trying to run Snapchat ads, right? Or you're trying to run ads on Snapchat, right, in 2026 and beyond, there is one big secret I'm going to show you. Now, like I said, there are two ways of running Snapchat ads, using the Snapchat Ads Manager and using your mobile phone. Now, one of the best way, that is most easiest way to run Snapchat, is using your iPhone device. It's not using your mobile phone. The same step is required for you to run Snapchat ads on the two mobile device type, right, which is the Android and the iPhone. If you need help concerning Snapchat ads, just chat my number on the screen right now. Do you understand? I'll be able to help you, show you how to pay successfully, show you how to link the correct card to your iCloud account so that you can be able to pay. Or if you're using Android phone, I'll show you the best way to pay for your Snapchat ads. Do you understand? So the next thing we're going to do right now, this is a dummy profile, so we're going to click on promotions. So once you click on promotions, then the next thing you're going to do is, you can always see this place, right? Your own Snapchat ads account might be showing Naira, right? This one is in dollar. Do you understand? So I can decide to click on add fund, and if I click on add fund, you're going to see everything here is displaying in naira, right, giving us the naira currency equivalent to dollar. Do you understand? So I can decide to say, okay, fine, if I want to add fund of $9, I can click on $9 here. If I want to add $19, you can see 27,000. If I want to add 372,000, this is $259. So depending, so the moment I click on add to balance, this is going to be using the payment method that is added to my iCloud account. You can see if I click on purchase right now, it's going to purchase. So now let's say you've added a funds into your account. Now this is how to pay for your Snapchat. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on create promotion. Do you understand? If you don't see this create promotion button in your own, you can chat me on WhatsApp. I will guide you fully. You even see my face, so I can guide you there, so you have nothing to lose. I'll click on create promotion, and once I click on create promotion, you're going to see something like either you want to choose a video from your camera or from your phone. But for this, for security purpose, I'm going to click on post archives, which means the post, let me see, the post I've been able to make, dummy post I've been able to make on Snapchat, right? So I'm just going to click on one here. Do you understand? So let's say I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on add. Now the moment I click on add, I'm going to click on add up here. So the moment I click on add, you're going to see it loading, right? Then you're going to see something like select your goal, right? So what do you want? So as of me, I want more followers, right? So for you, if you want more website visit, you click on this. So there are some strategies you need to follow whenever you are trying to run ads to your website, especially people who want to run ads to their WhatsApp. Do you understand? You can chat me for that, right? There are two. The strategy is a bit complex but simple. Do you understand? So if you want more calls and text message to your number, you click on this, you put your business there, and you search for your country, and you'll be able to do it. Do you understand? So I'm going to go back. I want more followers, right? And I'm going to click on next. Then the moment I click on next, you're going to see something like best audience for you. Now I will advise you that if you have like 1,000 audience or more, or you've been getting followers organically without running ads, it is best you click on best audience for you. But if not, you want to target international countries like USA, Canada, or probably specify your, I'm going to click on create my own. Then the location, edit the location, search the location here. Let's say I want to target Nigerians. I'm going to click on Nigeria, right? And I'm going to click on this back. Let's say I click on it again. I tick off United States, click on save, age and gender. I don't want to select kids, right? I want for like 25 and above, and I'm going to click on save, right? Then the budget and duration, let's say I want to be using $5 per day. I want to be using $5 per day. Understand? So I want to run it for 5 days. And you're going to see estimated daily views 7,000 to 21,000 views. Do you understand? And if I click on, you're going to see something like run it immediately, or if you want to schedule the ads to run at a particular time, you do that. Then I'm going to click on review promotion. Then I'm going to click on add funds and promote. If you have not added funds, you can click on add funds and promote, and you'll be able to do it. So chat me on WhatsApp now if you need any help concerning this, or you're using Android to promote and you have problem with your payments or whatever, or you want to use the ads manager, chat me up. I'll help you and we'll solve this. Thank you very much, and bye.